Hey guys, I'm Tanya Bell, and today I wanted to represent my Hogwarts house and do a Hufflepuff look. Now, Hufflepuffs are so underrated, but we're totally the best kind of people. We're kind, loyal, honest, and just like being cozy, but just know we're the best. Anyway, so moving on. Oh, I was gonna blow out my hair today, but since I'm doing this for today's video, I figured I had to pull out the Hermione hair. So yeah. And before I get started, I just wanted to thank my friend Missy Monoxide. She helped me with my new setup, and I could not be happier. There's no doubt in my mind the quality and the sound is going to be so much better since from my last videos. Anyway, she's a professional photographer and graphic designer. She does this such amazing work. You can find her at mixymonoxide.com or on Facebook and Instagram. She's also the founder of DTX Women and co-founder of DTX Street. And I'll have links to all of her stuff in the description box below. And you should go check her out. She's awesome. All right, so let's get started. I just put some So Juicy Plumping Gloss on and then get started with everything else. I'm going to try this No Poreblem Prime Essence again. I think I like it. I'm not sure, but too much. All right, and then I'm going to take my Milk. All right, zoom in. My Milk Makeup Skin Tint and the shade Medium. I love this because it gives your skin like this really, I don't know, it just makes your skin look like a skin, but more even. It's, it's just a little bit more than like a tinted moisturizer. But it's been one of my favorite. I think it's gonna be in my it's probably gonna be in my favorites video this month. So yeah, I'm like my skin, you can still see all my imperfections and everything, but it just looks a little bit more together. I don't know. Then I'm gonna use my Colourpop No Filter Concealer. And this is shade like 14. I'm just gonna pop that right there. A little bit redness spots on my eyelids. Here. Before I do anything else, I kind of want to make some freckles because just for the idea of this look, I don't know, I'm thinking like freckles and like really rosy cheeks and all that kind of stuff. So the only thing I have, and for like this kind of like that felt tip like brow liner thing, is this Ico London brow liner in medium. So yeah, I'm gonna try that. Okay, I'm gonna start on my nose and kind of work my way out. Well, that one's kind of big, but oh well. I don't know. We're gonna put stuff over it, so maybe it'll be fine. Well, that's freckly. We'll see what we can do. Okay. I don't know. They just looks gray. I think the ones on my nose don't look too bad. Some on my cheek look kind of weird. But okay. Well, anyway, we'll move on and go to. I'm gonna use bronzer, and this is Fenty Beauty Shady Biz. For highlighter, I'm gonna be using Artist Couture. And this is the shade Summer Haze. And yeah, I feel like the sprinkles are kind of blending a little bit. I don't know. That's probably not the best tool or the best product to use, but that's what I have. So that's what we're working with. And then I'm going to move on to blush. And I'm going to go back into my Tarte-Tarteist Pro Glow. And I'm going to use the shade Dance Floor again. And I'm going for like a really rosy. Ooh, look. And for some reason in my head, I'm just seeing like a really pink nose. I forgot to set my under eye, so I'm going to do that real quick, even though I already put powder on, but whatever. For setting powder, I'm using the Hourglass Veil setting powder, translucent setting powder. I'm using my Natasha Denona Biba palette again. I think I'm going to start with this color Seed. I'm going to take a pencil brush and start outlining my corner. And that brown. I'm going to take a small fluffy brush and go into Spot and just pick up a little bit. Just kind of put that in that outer corner and get that black color going on. But I didn't want like the whole, part of the eye to be black. I wanted to put some of that brown.
Hey guys, editing Tanya here, and my camera stopped recording, so during that time I just added that black color spot over the brown and blended that out. So yeah, let's get back into it.
Okay, now I'm going to move on to the yellow, and I have two Colourpop singles, which by the way, how cute are these? Oh my gosh. I was like, they're so tiny, and you get these little, because Colourpop has like a lot of singles that you can get because you can make your own palettes. And that is so cute. Just these little plastic things are like $2, and I think the singles are maybe like 3 something. I can't remember. I think I'm gonna start with Tiki. This is a Stalk'r yellow. All right, I'm gonna use the shader brush and put that in the middle of my lid. If I was smart, I probably would have done a cut crease, but whatever. I'm just really packing that on there. I'm gonna color switch this brush. And then I'm gonna go into Take Flight. I'm gonna take some more of that seed. A little fluffy brush again. Kind of just buff it in. I'm gonna take this Peel liquid shadow, and it says it's the color gold. So I'm like, okay. And I'm gonna put on this Colourpop gel liner in the shade Overboard and my waterline. I'm gonna use my Hourglass Caution mascara. Alright, I'm gonna go pop on some lashes and then I'll come right back and we can finish the eyes. Okay, I got my eyelashes on and then I'm gonna do my under eyes. So I'm gonna go back into that Take Flight and get my shader brush again. I'm gonna go under here. I think I'm gonna take the same brush and mix seed and spot a little bit. Okay. Same thing, just kind of buff that out. Go back into Take Flight. Take that out a little bit more. Take my mascara and do my bottom lashes. Okay. I'm just gonna take my brow brush gel and do my eyebrows. I'm gonna set my makeup. The last thing I'm gonna use is this Burt's Bees Tinted Lip Balm in Hibiscus. I figured it's just this really pretty pink kind of lip balm. Yeah. Well, I thought this would go with it, and it does. So I kind of feel like the only thing I'm having a problem with is maybe this Appeal eyeshadow, and I feel like it's just kind of creasing a little bit. But it's not bad, really. But I don't know. It's not too bad. I think I'm almost done with this look. I'm missing one thing. Here we go. Yeah. Here is my Hufflepuff look. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe and like. If you'd like me to try other houses, comment below. Well, I try to upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Hopefully, once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Yeah. The Hufflepuff. I don't know. I think it just looks weird. I'm ready for school. You try to blend black and yellow. It ain't easy.